Alright, this is Nate Ferry's 2013 bike check. First off, we got stock Verde front rim. And we got Fit FAF 2.25 folding tire in white wall. I've got Odyssey C2 forks. We got kink pegs with the Animal 10-year anniversary stem. Odyssey headset with the 2011 felt chasm frame. Next we got Demolition PC pedals, kink pillar cranks, Sabrosa bitchin' bottom bracket with the 2007 Shadow 32 sprocket, regular KMC chain, and we got Odyssey Elm Street 2.10 tire with the Odyssey Hazard Light V2 back rim, Bonedeth spiderweb leather seat in slim, Kurt Petersell's signature seat with Mission seat post and Fit seat post clamp.
Okay, this is my bike check. I'll start off with like the front part and go to the back. First off, I've got King Clytus bar ends. They're metal, so you know they work. ODI long neck XLTs. I always run ODIs. King human handlebars with 8 3/4 inch rise and a 29-inch width. Sputnik realm stem. I like front load, so you know it works. Got an Eastern integrated headset. No, haven't had any problems with it. Colt sucked forks. Just got them. I love them. You know they're pretty badass. Mission stalwart front rim. It's sealed and it's double wall. It's laced to a black sheep. Got a FAF 2.25. The frame's a Sunday Aaron Ross first version. Yeah, it's 20 3/4 long. I like it. It's really strong. It's got like some thick ass dropouts. Got Colt OS cranks, 175 millimeters. You know, black chrome because it's an interesting color. E-class / PCs. They're pedals. The Band Bud Sauce Rocket, 28 tooth. I run 28.9. Shadow interlock 2. The Fiend JJ Palmier Black Cloud seat. Animal seat post. Primo Nix back wheel. Laced to a balance outer. And an Animal Tom Whitewall 2.0. Yeah, that's my bike. That's it. Oh, and an S&M body bracket, and yeah. So yeah, comment on both of the bikes and tell us what you think of them. Okay, thank you.